Let us continue foundation chemistry. Here we will see nomenclature of organic compounds. Now we will take the organic compound CH3, CH, double bond CH, CO, CH3. How to name this organic compound, that we will see. So in the organic compound, first you see whether functional group is there or not. Yes, one is double bond, another one is ketone. This CO is called ketone. CO is called ketone. This CC double bond is there. Sir, if functional group, how many functional groups are there? Means two functional groups are there. When two or more functional groups are there, one functional group we have to consider as main functional group, another functional group we have to consider as substituent, as a branch. How to say one is main functional group and another functional group is a substituent or branch, for which we have to know priority order. Based on priority order, we can say. So what is a priority order for functional groups? That we will see. So now we are taking priority order for functional groups. Priority order for functional groups. First one, SO3H, it is called sulfonic acid. Next, COOH, carboxylic acid. Next, C double bond O, O, C double bond O. It is anhydride, acid anhydride. Next, COOH. COOH we have given already carboxylic acid. Now we are giving COOR, that is called ester. It is ester, COOR ester. Next, acid chloride. Acid chloride. It is called acid chloride. This functional group is acid chloride. Next functional group, acid amide. Acid amide. Next functional group, cyanide. CN, cyanide. Next functional group, isocyanide. Next one, aldehyde. Next one, ketone. Ketone. Next functional group, alcohol. Next, amide, amine, NH2, amine. Next, CC double bond. Next, CC triple bond. Next, halogens, nitro group, ether, alkyl groups. These are having least priority. So priority order is this. Now, in the given compound, what is there? We'll see. Here CC double bond is there and C double bond O is there. C double bond O is called ketone. CC double bond is there. Now ketone is here. CC double bond is here. So ketone present here. CC double bond present here. Ketone has higher priority. CC double bond has lesser priority. So ketone is the main functional group. Okay. So here ketone is the main functional group. This name we have to say as secondary suffix. Now we will take the parent chain. Parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Therefore, root word is pent. Root word is pent. Then CC double bond is there. Therefore, primary suffix is -ene. Then ketone comes under secondary suffix. For ketone, secondary suffix is -one. Next, we have to give the numbering in order to say position of ketone and position of double bond. How to give the numbering? Here, two functional groups are there. One is CC double bond, another one is ketone. Which should get least position? The main functional group should get least position. Which is main functional group? Ketone. So ketone should get least position. So we have to start numbering such that ketone will get least position. Okay. Therefore, we'll start from right extreme. Here number 1, here number 2 carbon, it is third carbon, it is number 4 carbon, it is fifth carbon. So CC double bond present between 3 and 4. Therefore, position of CC double bond is 3. Therefore, we give position of CC double bond is 3. Ketone present at second position. Therefore, position of 1 is 2. In the ketone, the first letter is O, that is vowel sound. Therefore, in the primary suffix, the last letter E, we have to drop. So, the name of this one is pent 3 in 2-one. Like that, we can say. The name of this compound is pent 3 in 2-one. Pent 3 in 2-one. Okay. Next compound we will take CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2OH, CH2OH, like that we will take. Here, alcohol is one functional group and CC double bond is present. Alcohol is one functional group, then CC double bond is present here. Now see, it is alcoholic group and it is CC double bond, which is having higher priority alcohol. So alcohol is the main functional group. Okay. So alcohol is the main functional group here. Now the parent chain contains 4 carbon atoms, therefore root word is bute. CC double bond comes under primary suffix, that is ene. CC double bond is alcohol. Alcohol means OL, we have to say. This OH group, we have to say as secondary suffix. This is alcohol. Alcohol means OL, we have to say. Now we have to say CC double bond position and alcohol position, we have to say. Here, alcohol attached to the carbon, that should get least position because alcohol is the main functional group. So start giving numbering from right extreme. So we are giving a numbering from what in the sense right extreme. So number 1 here, number 2, number 3, number 4. So we have given numbering like this. Here we have given number 2. Okay. Now double bond position in between 2 and 3. Therefore, we will give position of double bond as 2. Alcohol is attached to first carbon, so its number will give number 1. Now this E we will drop. Therefore, the name is what means bute 2-ene-1-ol. Bute 2-ene-1-ol is the name of this compound, we can say. Next compound we will take, that is a CH2 double bond CHCl. Here what are the functional groups are there? See, one is a CC double bond, another one is a Cl. CC double bond is here, Cl is here. X means F, Cl, Br, I. This is called F. Halogens. Halogens comes under X. So CC double bond and Cl, which is having a higher priority? CC double bond. Cl is having less priority. Therefore, Cl is not main functional group. Cl is considered as a branch or substituent. Okay. So Cl is considered as what means a branch or substituent. So now Cl name we have to say as what in the sense chloro. That is, this Cl will not come as secondary suffix because it is not main functional group. Then this compound contains 2 carbons, therefore eth. CC double bond is there, therefore E. Like that we can say. Therefore, the name of this compound is chloroethene. Now, double bond position we need not mention because in this compound only 2 carbon atoms are present. Certainly double bond will be present between 2 carbon atoms only. Okay, next we will take CH3O, CH2 2 times, NH, CH3. So here we will see the name, the first functional groups we will see. How many functional groups are there means 2 functional groups. One is ether, that is this one, it is ether. It is a amine. This what in the sense amine, it is having 1 nitrogen, therefore we can call this is as secondary amine. So here secondary amine is there and ether is there, which is having higher priority out of secondary amine and ether. Now see, amine is here. Amine means primary, secondary, tertiary coming under here, and ether is here. Ether is here. So this amine is having higher priority than this ether. Okay. Therefore, here ether and amine. For ether priority is less, amine priority is more. Therefore, this ether name we have to say first as a prefix. This ether name, let us say first as a prefix we will say, because it is not main functional group. So this name we will say separately. This contains 1 carbon, therefore meth. This oxygen we have to say as oxy. So we have to call this as methoxy. So we said methoxy for this. Then this part is secondary amine. Secondary amine means what we have to do means the group which is directly attached to N should be named first. Sir, now this group is directly attached to this N, and this group also directly attached to this N. Which name we have to say first? This CH3 or this CH2, CH2? Here number of carbons 1, here number of carbons 2. Since number of carbons 1, this we will take it as branch, this we will take it as parent. Therefore, this is branch, so this name we will say first. So that name we said first, that is methyl. It is directly attached to N, therefore we will say N-methyl. N-methyl we said. Then we will say parent chain name. Parent chain contains 2 carbon atoms, therefore eth. Primary suffix is En, secondary suffix is this amine. Amine is the functional group that amine will write. So this E we will drop, and then we will write this E we have to drop. Okay, we have to drop this E. So next we have to say the position of methoxy, for which we have to give numbering for this parent chain. In that numbering, that secondary amine nitrogen attached carbon should get least position. Therefore, here number 1, here number 2. So methoxy group attached to second carbon of parent chain. So the name of this compound is 2-methoxy N-methyl ethanamine. Okay, 2-methoxy N-methyl ethanamine is the name of this compound, we can say. Next compound we will take. Next compound is CH3 single bond CH, CH3 single bond CH, double bond CH, CH2 CHO, CH2 CHO. This compound we will take. Here aldehyde is the main functional group that we know. CC double bond is a priority is less. Now this parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms, therefore pent. Primary suffix is en, secondary suffix is al. Secondary suffix is al. Because for aldehyde, secondary suffix is what means al. Now here we have to give numbering such that aldehyde carbon should get least position. Aldehyde carbon should get least position. Therefore, we will start number 1 here, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this double bond present between third and fourth carbons, therefore position of double bond is 3. This aldehyde generally terminal carbon, no doubt. Aldehydic carbon will be terminal, no doubt in that. Aldehydic carbon is terminal and we have given number 1 here. Therefore, we need not mention the position of this aldehyde. Number 1 means without mentioning also we can leave. Sir. Now, in this secondary suffix al, the first letter is a, which is vowel sound. Therefore, we'll drop the primary suffix e in last letter. Therefore, the name of this compound is pent-3-enal, 3-enal, like that we can say pent-3-enal. Okay, let us take next compound. CH triple bond CH down CH2 CH3 top CH2 CHO. Okay, like that we have taken here. Now, in this functional groups are, one is aldehyde, another one is triple bond. Aldehyde has higher priority than triple bond. Now we will see parent chain. What is a parent chain here? If we select straight chain, number of carbons 5. If we select like this, number of carbons 5. So both ways number of carbons same. Then which we have to select as parent chain? Parent chain in which all the functional groups are present. That is parent chain. So in this straight chain, both functional groups are present. Therefore, we will take straight chain as a parent chain. Okay. Therefore, this is what branch. This branch name is called ethyl. This branch name is ethyl, we can say. It is C2H5, ethyl. So we will say the branch name as prefix. Root word is a parent chain, contains 5 carbon atoms, therefore pent. Root word is pent. Primary suffix is carbon-carbon triple bond, therefore ine. Secondary suffix is aldehyde, that is Al. Secondary suffix is aldehyde, that is Al, we said. Now we have to give the numbering. When we are giving numbering, the main functional group should get least position. Like that only we have to see first. Then only branches and other functional groups. Main functional group should get least position. Therefore, we have to give number 1 at where, in the sense right extreme. Right extreme 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. Then we'll say the position of triple bond between 4 and 5. Therefore, we'll say 4 is the position of triple bond. Aldehyde position number 1. Therefore, we need not mention. Then we'll drop this E. Therefore, and ethyl position is 3. Ethyl position at third carbon. Therefore, we can say the name of this compound is 3-ethyl pent 1-ine 1 not 4-ine Al. Okay, like that we can say. This is the name of this compound, we can say. Next compound we will take. Next compound is CH3, CH3, double bond CH, CO, CH3. We will take this compound. Here ketone and double bond is there. We know that ketone is main functional group. Okay, so we will select the parent chain. The parent chain is this one. So we are selecting parent chain. The parent chain is coming as like this. Parent chain is this one. This CH3 is the branch here. This CH3 name we will say this branch name, that is methyl. Then the parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Therefore, pent primary suffix is ene. Primary suffix we can say ene. And the secondary suffix we will say one, because ketone is the main functional group. Now we will give numbering. Numbering here number 1, number 2 carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. So methyl position is 4, therefore 4 methyl. Methyl position 4 that we have mentioned here. Next, double bond position between 3 and 4, therefore we will see 3. Al own position is 2. Ketone is at second carbon. This E will drop, therefore we will write 4 methyl. pent 3 2 1. It is the name of this compound. Next compound we will take. Next compound is CH3CO, CH3CO, CH3, CHO. This compound we have taken. For this, let us select parent chain. Before that, see the functional groups. One is aldehyde, another one is ketone. CHO is called aldehyde, CO is called ketone. Two functional groups are present here. Now we will see the priority order. Aldehyde and ketone priority order we will see. Now see, it is aldehyde, it is ketone, it is aldehyde. So which is getting higher priority? Aldehyde gets higher priority than ketone. Okay. So now we will say aldehyde priority is more than ketone. Aldehyde priority is more than ketone, we will say. That priority. So aldehyde act as main functional group. Aldehyde act as main functional group. Ketone acts as substituent. Therefore, ketone name we have to say as prefix. Ketone act as a substituent. So ketone name we will say as a prefix, we will say. So now we will select parent chain. We have selected parent chain like this. This methyl group is a branch. This name we will say that is a methyl. This parent chain contains 4 carbon atoms, therefore bute. Parent chain contains 4 carbon atoms. So then we have to say the name of a primary suffix. Primary suffix name. Primary suffix name is what means ane, CC single bond, therefore ane. Secondary suffix is which one in the sense main functional group coming under secondary suffix. Main functional group coming under secondary suffix. Main functional group is Al. Main functional group name is what means Al, we can say. Then this ketone name we have to say as substituent or prefix. This name is what in the sense keto we can say, otherwise oxo we can say. Both are correct. Any one we can say. Keto or oxo. This ketone we have to say as a prefix because it is not main functional group. This name we have to say as keto or oxo. We have to say this oxygen we are saying. This carbon we have included in the parent chain. This oxygen alone we are saying keto or oxo. Then we will give numbering in order to say the position. So in the numbering, give aldehyde carbon number 1 because it is main functional group. Then second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. The ketone position is what means 3. Therefore, we will write 3. Then this methyl position is 2. That 2 we have written. So now here methyl and oxo. Methyl first letter M, oxo first letter O. Therefore, alphabetical order if you see methyl first, oxo second. So that we can say the name of this compound as a what in the sense this 4 methyl we will say, and this oxygen present at which position in the sense 3 oxo. Sorry, this methyl first name methyl name 2 methyl, then 3 oxo butane, and this E we will drop and Al will write 2 methyl 3 oxo butanol. Instead of oxo, if you want to say keto also we can say. Sorry. Next compound we will take CH3, C double bond CH, COOH. This C is having methyl group. Okay. Here we will select parent chain. Parent chain, what means this one is the parent chain. Carboxylic acid is the main functional group. COH means carboxylic acid. Now we will say the name of this branch. This branch name is what means methyl. Then parent chain contains 4 carbon atoms, but, CC double bond, therefore ene, and carboxylic acid is the second suffix, that is oic acid. We have to give the numbering, number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3, number 4. Therefore methyl position is what means 3, therefore 3 methyl will say 3 methyl. Then but will say double bond position is 2, therefore 2 ene. Carboxylic acid position 1, that we need not mention, therefore we will write oic acid. So 3 methyl but 2 in oic acid, that is the name of this compound. Next compound we will take, next compound is a carboxylic acid, CH2 COH. Here carboxylic acid is the functional group. It is how many times present means 2 times present. Now we will select the parent chain here. Here parent chain is this one. Here parent chain name is what means but. Primary suffix is n. Secondary suffix is what means carboxylic acid, that is oic acid. That oic acid present 2 times, therefore dioic acid. Di name we said because of 2 times carboxylic acid. Then we have to say position of carboxylic acid. Here let us start numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore we will say at first carbon carboxyl group is there, at fourth carbon carboxyl group is there. Here see, don't say this position is 3, don't say this position is 2. Carboxylic acid carbon numbering is the position of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid carbon numbering is 1, therefore position of this carboxylic acid is 1. This carboxylic acid carbon number 4, therefore position of this carbon of carboxylic acid is 4. So 1, 4 we can say. So that now we will say butane 1, 4 dioic acid, like that we can say. Now this primary suffix last letter E we need not drop because this D is not a vowel sound. Therefore the name of this one is butane 1, 4 dioic acid. Butane 1, 4 dioic acid we said. Next compound we will take, that is CH3 CO CH2 CO CH3, like this compound we will take. Here functional group is ketone, both are ketone only, 2 times ketone is present. Now it is a parent chain. Now we'll say the name of this one. This parent chain contains totally 5 carbons, therefore pent. 5 carbon atoms are there, therefore we will say pent. Primary suffix we will say ene, primary suffix ene, because carbon single bond. Secondary suffix is one. How many times means 2 times, therefore dione. We have to say the position. Here carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5 positions we have given. Now you say the position of ketone. This ketone present at second carbon of parent chain. This ketone present at fourth carbon of parent chain. So 2, 4 dione. So pentane 2, 4 dione is the name of this compound we can say. Next compound we will take. Next compound is what in the sense CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH CH2OH. This CH is having branch C CH3 then CH CH3 CH3. Now here what are the functional groups means, one is alcohol, another one is CC double bond. Now we have to select parent chain. Parent chain we have to select now. Parent chain is which one in the sense? Straight chain. Why? Why straight chain is a parent chain? Because in straight chain how many carbon atoms are there? Count 2, 4, 5. Like this L manner you go, how many carbons? 5 carbons. So 2 possibilities are there as a parent chain. 5 carbons, 5 carbons like this. Which we have to select as a parent chain, like straight or L. Straight in the sense that as CC double bond functional group also there. L manner means CC double bond functional group will not come. Therefore, straight chain only we have to select as a parent chain. Okay. Next, that means this is branch. This what means branch. This is a branch. In the branch, number of carbons you see, how it is there? Is it 1 carbon to say methyl, or is it 2 carbons to say ethyl? Like it is just like a complex. So in such a type of case, what you have to do means you have to select parent in this one. This we have to treat separately. Then we have to treat this separately. Then we have to join with the position. So we are treating this as separately. So in this separately we have to select a parent. We have to select. Parent means in this one parent we are selecting. How to select parent means start from the carbon which is directly attached to parent chain. Okay, so we are starting from the carbon which is directly attached to parent chain. This is 1 dash, then go 2 dash, then go 3 dash. Okay, this is the parent. In the branch it is a parent. In this parent, how many branches are there? Means 1 methyl group here, 1 methyl group here, 1 methyl group here. So totally 3 methyl groups. That is 3 methyl groups means trimethyl. This trimethyl, for that we have to say position. 3 methyl groups means for that we have to say position. This methyl group present at 1 dash carbon. This methyl group present at 1 dash carbon. This methyl group present at 2 dash carbon, like this. Like that we said. Then this parent contains 3 carbons, that we have to say prop. Then we have to say YL, we have to say propyl. This is branch name. You keep brackets like this. Keep the branch name within the brackets. Sorry. Next, it is a main parent. This main parent contains 5 carbon atoms. Therefore, pent we are saying. Here CC double bond is there. Therefore, ene we are saying. Then alcohol is there. Alcohol means OL we are saying. Alcohol means secondary suffix, that is OL. Now let us give numbering in the main parent. We will give in the numbering. For alcoholic carbon number 1 we will give number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Double bond present between 3 and 4 carbons. Therefore double bond position is 3. Alcohol position is 1. Okay. Then this branch present at second carbon, that second, like this. Therefore 2, 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, trimethyl, propyl, pent, 3 in. This E we have to drop. This E we have to drop 1 all. 1 if you do not write also, no problem at all. So the name of this compound is so and so. Next compound we will take CH3, CH3, CH2 2 times, CH2 2 times, CO, CH2, Cl. Okay. Now here ketone is the one functional group, halogen is one functional group, ketone is the main functional group. Okay. Now we will select parent chain. The parent chain is this one. So this is branch name is methyl. Cl is not main functional group, therefore we have to consider it is as a substituent. Substituent means we have to consider as prefix. This prefix name is chloro. Prefix Cl name is what means chloro, we have to say. Chloro we have to say when it comes as prefix. Then parent chain contains how many carbons means totally 6 carbons, therefore X. Primary suffix is N, secondary suffix is 1. Let us give the numbering. Main functional group should get least position. Main functional group, therefore here number 1, here number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So position of methyl group is 5, that 5 will write here. Position of chlorine is 1, that 1 will write. Then position of this ketone is 2, that 2. The here vowel sound O is there, so we will drop this E. Therefore the name of this one is 1-chloro 5-methyl 5-methyl hexane 1,2 diol 1,2 1, not diol, only one keto group. Therefore ONE one time we have to write. Here chloromethyl, both are prefixes, both are branches. Which name has to be coming first? Chloro has to be written first, methyl next. Why? Because in the chloro first letter C, methyl first letter M. Alphabetically if you see, C comes first, M comes next. Therefore chloro first, methyl next. Like that we have written. Okay. Next compound we will take CH3, CO, CH2, COOH. Here, what are the functional groups present means carboxylic acid and ketone. It is carboxylic acid, it is ketone. Which is main functional group means carboxylic acid is the main functional group, ketone is the substitute one because ketone has lesser priority. Carboxylic acid has higher priority. So carboxylic acid is main functional group. Ketone is prefix. Therefore, it is a parent chain. Ketone is prefix. Prefix in the sense we will say as that as oxo, otherwise keto. Oxo we have to say otherwise keto. Parent chain contains 4 carbon atoms. But primary suffix is En, secondary suffix is oic acid. When we are giving numbering, give number 1 to carboxylic acid carbon, here number 2, here number 3, here number 4. So oxo present, ketone present at third carbon like this. That oic acid position we need not say, but it is vowel sound, so we will drop the last letter E. So we can say 3-oxo butanoic acid. 3-oxo butanoic acid is the name of this compound. Okay. Next, we will take the compound is like this. This is called bond notation. This representation is called bond notation. Bond notation. In the bond notation, each corner represents a carbon. At each corner, carbon will be there. Therefore, at this corner, carbon is there, then double bond. At this carbon, carbon is there, down OH group will be there. At this corner, carbon is there, that carbon here single bond. This is a double bond, here carbon. Here single bond, here carbon. Double bond OH. Then we will give hydrogens as per the valency of carbon. Here 2 bonds are there, therefore 2 hydrogens. This carbon is having 4 bonds, therefore don't give hydrogens. This carbon is having 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen. This carbon is having 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen. For this carbon 4 bonds are there, therefore don't give hydrogens. So therefore we can write this as CH2 double bond CHOH, CH double bond CH, double bond COH. It is a compound. Here 3 functional groups are there. One is carboxylic acid, it is one double bond, it is one double bond. Both are same, therefore 2 functional groups are there, but double bond present at 2 positions we can say. Another functional group also there, that is what in the sense alcohol. So 3 functional groups.